This is a crazy double, dual, whatever you want to call it, PCGS, NGC submission reveal. Here's the NGC submission that I did the 2-part coin series on. Everybody's been waiting on this one. And here's a PCGS submission. I bought some 1928 piece dollars. See what PCGS did to my 1928 piece dollars. Stay tuned. So here's my website, portsmouthcoinshop.com. Here you can buy coins. If you need help, I'm getting a lot of emails, so if you need help, please come over here to CoinHelpU, CoinAuctionsHelp.com, and go to the forum. Go to the help community and ask your questions here, post your images here. This is where I prefer people to ask for help. So, I don't know what to share first, but I think I'm going to go with the 28s because they're all the same dates, and I bought these coins from someone who walked in my front door. They brought a bag of peace dollars, and they said that they came to me because someone told them that I was honest and I would treat them right. So the hell are these beat up peace dollars? Well, I mean, they were toned up, and they were in a bag together. There was a 35, which was circulated. There was a 26, which is probably AU. There was a bunch of 23s, 22s, 24s, and 25s. And as I was going through them, I noticed they weren't 23s. There was 28s. There was a total of 11 28s. And I might have already told this story in another video, but so I picked out 2 of them that I knew were cleaned, and I put them up on the site, and I sold them as Unk Details because they looked uncirculated. Now I did dip the coins as far as that's concerned. I mean, I took them and got rid of the stuff that was on them from other coins, a lot of rubbing and whatever happened to them. And I looked at these 9 coins and I thought, okay, all of these coins look uncirculated to me. A couple of them look 63, most of them look 62 or less, and I thought, that's great. So I was talking to my dad and Andy. By the way, I give them a shout out. They've really done a great job over the weekend with me going to the coin show and having PayPal issues. I want to definitely mention that. But anyways, I was telling them, I said, I'll bet you, let's have a bet that we'll get at least one problem coin out of this lot. It always happens. There's always a head scratcher. So let's find out if that happened. Okay, so here's the first one. As you can see, it's a nice coin, but it does have a lot of marks on it. And it graded mint state 62. Then we have this one. And it also graded mint state 62, and I thought that it should get 63. I do have a 63 to compare it to. Here's another one, and it graded 62. I thought maybe it had a shot at 63, but nope, it's a 62. Here's another one, and it's a nice looking coin. A really nice luster on these. It graded 62. And then here's another one. You can see a lot of the marks. Here's another one. Just like I said, there's marks on it, but it doesn't look much different than most 63s you see. Graded 62. Are you getting a common theme here? 62. Here's another one. I can turn them over and look at them. I mean, they're not much different. They don't have any major marks on the reverse. They look like normal 63s, 62s. You know. So here's another one. This one here is a 62. I'll show you the reverse. I know some of you are going to be like, well, when do we get to see the reverses? Well, the reverses aren't no different. Look how nice the reverse is. Oh, you got marks on it, but 62? Yeah, I can get it. But I thought some of them might get 63. So here we go. Here's a 62 all the way. I mean, definitely a 62. And it got it. Then the last one. I saved this one for last for a reason. Does anyone want to guess what grade this coin got? It's not. Okay, we're going to look at this coin really close. I'm going to turn it real close. And I think you already see it. It's Unk Details. I knew it. I knew they was going to do it. Man, I looked at these coins. I don't know where it's cleaned. I'm going to have to look at it really close. So, I mean, this has never happened. I have never got all the same grade and then one clean coin in a submission. I've just never seen such consistent grading. There should have been a couple 63s in there. I'm sorry. I've got a 63 I can compare it to all day long. But, hey, it is what it is. It's what they did. Now, after that, I want to show you the NGC. And let me tell you something, guys. I kind of got hosed. I did. I mean, I bought the coins right, but man, except for a couple of them, man, it's not that great. So we're going to start off with a 25S that I sent, and I guess I see it now. I don't know, but anyways, so here's the 25S. Get some. As you can see, it's not a bad looking coin. The lighting on it, but I mean, this shows all the details of the coin. And it got a UNC details reverse scratch. So we'll look at the reverse and we'll try to find the scratch. And it looks like the scratch is right here. I think that was, I've seen marks on coins like that before. I don't know. I'm not seeing any other area where it would be a scratch. But yeah, that was kind of a disappointment there. I knew it was uncirculated, but it got scratched. That's unfortunate. The 80S that I sent, pretty nice looking coin. This was one of the least disappointing submissions. Here's the reverse of it, a little bit of toning on it. But it got mint state 66. Isn't that something? So I got a 66 that I had, so that's nice. That's a good little surprise there. The next one here is the 80O, and this 80O was actually in the ICG holder as a mint state 63 plus. And then once I got out of the holder, I think in a second video I realized that this coin was not going to grade higher. So I was just going to be happy with maybe a 62 or 63 or whatever. But I knew that it looked kind of funny. I was hoping to come back problem free because it started looking a little clean to me once I got into it. And that's one of the reasons why it toned like it did. Odd toning usually means the coin's been cleaned or the holder toned the coin. Well, it got AU58. So that's a little bit of a disappointment. I mean, it's not that it's a bad looking coin, but it's definitely not mint state. Definitely not mint state 63 plus. Then I've got this here, and it's kind of a surprise I had. This is a 78 CC. And it's a nice little coin. And let's see if we can. So this is a nice coin with the details. It got a mint state 63. That was a good result there for this coin. Then I had the 37. I showed you a couple of walkers, and they didn't grade what I thought they would. A mint state 63 on this one. And then the other walker, which I didn't expect this, I really dropped the ball in this submission somehow, but this one here, I thought was mint state, and it looks like a problem-free coin. It looks nice. 63, 4, 5, whatever. And they gave it an UNC details, cleaned. I don't see anything. I don't know. I'm going to have to relearn my grading skills and my skills on detecting clean coins. I'm the one that done the videos on this stuff. What's going on here? So here's the 1911 that I had. It was a 64, I believe. And I was concerned after I removed that area. That was a cleaned area on the coin, and I was afraid after I tried to restore it that it was going to come back as a problem coin. Well, it came back as a mint state 62, so it dropped 2 points on me because it did, whatever reason they decided it was 2 points lower than the last time. So that's the way it works. Didn't work out for me on that one either, but at least it wasn't a problem coin, which it could have been. Then this one here probably surprised me more than any of them. This was the 16 that I had graded, and it had the toning on it, as you can see, both sides. It's a nice looking coin, and they said that this coin was uncirculated details cleaned. I am so disappointed. I don't see where these coins have been cleaned. They're really was strict on these this submission, I felt. Okay, well, I had an 83S that I sent in, and I was hoping, obviously your expectations are really high. I wanted to be mint state 63, but I knew that it probably was going to get less than that once I looked at it really close. And I thought that little scratch on the cheek, I thought, so it ended up getting mint state 61. So turn it over here and take a look at it. It has some nice toning. It's still a rare coin. It's not a disappointment as far as that's concerned, because, your purchase price versus how much you have in it always helps out. So, bought it pretty good price. We'll see what happens. Then there's this one. This one is an 80cc, and I restored this coin. Now, if my method of restoring this coin, it was really dark toned, if you remember in the video, and some of you might even remember the grade. But if my restoring clean coins or causing them to look clean, believe me, this submission, NGC would have most certainly labeled this coin as cleaned. I mean, they were not happy about none of these or something. So this is what happened. The coin graded mint state 63. Before I sent this coin, I busted it out. It was a mint state 64 proof, like if you go back and watch that video. It was a dark coin though. Well, they decided it was less than what it was. So completely different grades, no proof like or anything this time around. So here's the last one, and this is my Mercury dime that I was hoping maybe get a cameo, but then I realized when I took it out of the holder it wasn't going to get a cameo. I restored it a little bit. I got some of that, whatever kind of toning was on it was a little unsightly. But it's a nice coin, but it ended up dropping to 63 from the 64. So, I've never had results like this, such mixed results. So I know that there's going to be somebody or 2 or 3 people that's going to say, see what happens when you clean your coins and you mess with them. Look, I do this every submission and I have really good results. This is probably the worst submission I've had in 2 years. I'm more than willing in a future video to actually examine these Unk Details coins and try to figure out what was cleaned about it. I do have a microscope. I don't use it very much, not looking for things like that, but I would like to find out exactly, and if I can get the camera set up, maybe I'll do it for everybody. But anyways, hey, my coins, like I said in the video, my screw-ups, sometimes it just happens. It's the way it works, so I'm going to do well in the 28s, make up for some of this. I did get a nice 66. So I'm happy about that. So anyways, thanks for watching my latest video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it didn't frustrate you, because I should know these coins would, I don't agree with they're cleaned. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I'm not resubmitting them. I'm not doing all that. It is what it is. So they're in the holder as they are. I'll sell them as they are. And have a great day.